Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's cooking video I'll be showing you a quick and easy way how to bake sweet potatoes. Alright, so let's just get straight into it. For this quick and easy sweet potato, I'll be showing you all the things that you're going to need just to get this potato baked. Here I already have 2 potatoes that I'm going to use that I already went ahead of time and washed. All I'm going to do is get my knife and I'm going to cut both ends of the potatoes. Make the potato bake easy. What I'm going to do is split each potato into halves. So there you have it, 2 halves, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Alright, so after I cut these into 2 halves, all I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap each pieces into foil paper, which means you'll be needing 4 pieces of foil. So there I have my 4 pieces. I'm going to just wrap each piece into the foil paper. Just like this for each piece. So there you have it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rest these sweet potato that's already wrapped on a baking sheet. And then I'm just going to pop these into the oven and let them bake for 1 hour. So here I already have my oven preheated and I'm just going to pop these in there and let them bake for an hour. Okay you guys, so it's almost an hour and we're just gonna check on our potatoes to see how far they are. They should be finished by now, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to use this toothpick and I'm just gonna stick it straight through the foil paper. That way it will tell you if it goes through. That way it will tell you that your potato is ready. If it doesn't go through, that means it needs to stay in a bit longer. So let's go. The toothpick didn't go through completely, so I'm just going to let them stay about 5 to 10 more minutes and then they'll be ready. Okay you guys, so our potatoes are ready and we're just going to take them out of the oven. Here we have our potato. We're just going to unwrap them from our paper and stock them onto whatever plate that you're gonna serve. Look at the beauty of this color. You need to be careful not to get burned because it's very hot. So we're just gonna take them out gently and you can serve them right onto the plate with the skin. That way it'll be more easier for whoever is eating them. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. A quick and easy way how to bake sweet potatoes. They're hot and they look really yummy, and you can serve this with just about anything. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.